Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. This is actually my first official video of 2018, and by the time this video goes up, it might be 4th of July weekend. So all the way in July, first video. I did have a little Wegmans live stream. Something was about to fall and I was like, no. It was like all my morning makeup. But yeah, I had a live stream. That was really fun. But it's been pretty radio silent for me, pretty much on almost all my social media. And if you follow me on Instagram, you might know a little bit where I've gone. But trying to condense everything, number one, I've been having major hair issues, you guys. My hair does not like the water in my apartment. You can literally smell the chlorine and chemicals and minerals when you're taking a shower. Not very pleasant. So my hair has been feeling very rough. It's been feeling super dry, very dull. It's been snap, crackling, and popping off. Tons of single strand knots. So I haven't really been able to make any videos or review things because my hair has not been in the shape to where it'll be fair to the product, because my hair is like struggle city. So that's one of the reasons. Another that has kind of been like more on the emotional side, the quick version, I moved to this area in October for a job opportunity. 2 weeks after I got there, they announced a company-wide layoff. We made it through the holidays. They said in January, we're all done with the layoffs. You guys can breathe easy. Stop, going on Indeed.com every day here. So yeah, I thought we were good to go. But they ended up letting me go from that job. But they did suggest that I apply for another job that had mysteriously come available that day. Didn't want to apply for the job. Didn't have a good experience after the whole letting go situation with the company, but your girl's got bills to pay, a lease I couldn't break, so I ended up applying for the job, getting the job. I don't enjoy the job at all. I hate it. So I've been really down, haven't been feeling very good, basically, but I am not gonna let that whole situation stop me from doing things that I actually love anymore, which is YouTube. So I am diving back in with you guys. This is one of the best things I've ever done for my hair. Oh wait, before I forget, during my whole Ashley's very sad phase, like in March, I went home to my hometown to hang out with my family in between starting the new job and all that stuff, and I ran into two really nice girls at Chick-fil-A. They recognized me from my channel, even though I looked super busted that day at Chick-fil-A, and came up to me and said hi while I was at lunch with my mom. So if you guys haven't been watching, that made my day. Thank you so much for stopping by and saying hi. That was so cool, even though I was embarrassed because y'all, I looked tore like really bad. Shout out to you guys for coming up to me. That was so cool. My mom was with me, so that was fun. So yes, you guys, I'm sure you can see from the title, we're gonna be talking about the Main Choice Shears. Aren't they beautiful? Not only is this probably my favorite thing that I purchased, I haven't tried everything from Black Friday, of course, because I did a lot for Black Friday, but this has been one of the things that I've been using the most consistently since Black Friday, and it is literally one of the best investments I've ever made for my hair. So I say investment because the normal price of these is $49.95, so I was waiting for a good sale, and Black Friday came along, 50% off, yes please. So I got these for 24 bucks, and they're amazing. I love these shears. So let me see if this autofocus will work for me, because y'all, since I haven't been making videos, I still don't know how to work this fancy camera. So yeah, they're a beautiful deep violet color. They're signature Main Choice colors, and immediately you can see one of the things that sticks out is this three-pronged stabilization situation. You guys know that when you're holding a normal pair of shears with just the two deal going on, these are much steadier, so I'm able to get a smoother, more precise cut. And as you guys know, the cleaner and sharper your ends are when you cut them, the longer that you're going to be able to stave off single strand knots and split ends if you have a nice, sharp, precise cut. These are Japanese steel surgical precision scissors, so they are very, very sharp. I've heard a lot of people say they've cut themselves, so definitely be careful. Get those hands out of the way when it's time to trim your ends. Very, very easy to clean. I used to get my hair cutting shears from Goodies, which you can get from like Walmart, Target, Rite Aid, everywhere. And they would last for like maybe half a year, 6 months, and start getting rusty. And you know, $12 a pop doesn't sound like that much, but after a while repurchasing the scissors over and over again, it adds up. So they don't maintain their sharpness, they're a little bit dull. I noticed that my ends weren't maintaining that smooth, crisp feeling. There's nothing like detangling after trimming your ends, you guys. It's such a good feeling. As many of you know, it's just like a whole new world. It's great. I finally got these, and there's no looking back. I love these shears so much. So as I've mentioned in a few of my videos, I like to trim my hair at the start of every new season. So we just crossed the threshold over into summer. So I'm going to be trimming my hair all over. I've actually been trimming it a lot since you guys have seen me here on YouTube because of the situation with the water here. My hair just not like, I've got a huge knot right now, I feel. But yeah, I've had so many dry split ends, knots, so I've been trimming a lot more than I usually do, but at the start of a new season I just like to do that to give my hair a nice fresh start, and hopefully the whole situation with the water will be rectified soon because I got a filter. It's not helping that much, but my lease is up in like 2.5 months by the time you guys are seeing this, I think. So yeah, my next apartment, I'm bringing out like the water testing strips when I'm looking at apartments. They're gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm not gonna have the water fight me at my next apartment. So yeah, guys, I wanted to show you, it's wash day too, so this feels amazing right now. Probably gonna be a little bit less conservative than usual trimming my ends because again, they've been feeling extra terrible as of late. So here's a nice little example right here. How does this autofocus thing work, y'all? I don't know. So that can kind of show you guys a good example. I think it's pretty frazzled at the end here. I'm at the last few inches of my highlighted hair. So yeah, my hair gets very tangly and dry at the ends. So these, again, with this triple prong situation, you're just able to control the cutting motion of the scissors a lot easier, so you can be very precise. If you're someone who likes to go on a search and destroy mission for a couple of hours and just attack those single strand knots, that comes in handy because you're really able to hone in on those single strand knots. If you want to, if you see like an errant split end, you can just go in there and get that nice and precise, and they're just so sharp that it just leaves your ends feeling so smooth and fresh. That's the only way I can describe it. So here's our little section right here. And I'm gonna cut, because it's all thin and stuff, so I'm gonna cut where it looks a little bit fuller. So right in here I think will be good. So let me see what angle would be good to show you guys. I'm gonna go in at a side angle here. Nice tapered ends. It's gonna feel so awesome when I detangle. So let me show you guys another example. So again, how I normally trim my ends is I will go by twist and trim the ends so I make sure I don't miss anything, and then I'll unravel that twist so the hair is loose, so I know I've already covered that section, if that makes sense. But for those of you that like to cut your hair when it's already out, I have an example here. So again, these ends, kind of, if you are someone who likes to do DIY hair trimming at home like I do, what I do is I'll just run my fingers down my hair, and when it starts to feel a little gnarly, I know that's where I need to start cutting. I'm gonna miss my highlights, you guys. They're almost gone. I don't know if you guys will be able to even see them anymore, but yeah, they're literally just, that's about it. That's about it. So yeah, ooh, that's a big section. I don't want to go a little too crazy. So as you guys can see, this section, again, super duper dry, very gnarly. I can feel the single strand knots and see them kind of living all up in there. So we're just going to take our lovely scissors, and it's not even curling that well, so kind of right here is where we're going to go. Such a big difference already. Love it. So I am going to finish trimming all over my head and show you guys what it looks like all completely trimmed all the way around. I am all trimmed, ready for the summer. Yeah, my hair looks and feels so much better. As you can see, I removed all the twists and my hair looks so nice. You guys, I can count on one hand the amount of nice hair days I've had this whole year, so this is awesome. But here, everything just feels so nice and smooth. Like, everything feels great. I cut a little bit more than I usually do, but some sections that are still a little bit frizzy, I didn't want to go too short. But yeah, if you do still go to the salon to get your hair styled or trimmed or just general maintenance, another awesome thing about these shears is that it comes with a handy dandy traveling case. And what they say on the website is that you never know if someone's sterilizing things. You know, when someone has a constant influx of clients, they can get busy, forget to sterilize in between clients. If you bring your own shears, you know that the only person's head that they have touched is yours. So I think that's a really cool touch. And the case is so cute. It helps me to find these also having this case. So if you want to take these with you to the salon, not only do you know that you are getting some really great quality shears whenever you're going in for a trim or a cut, you know that you're keeping all the yuckies away and keeping things nice and hygienic. So I am hoping to have a pleasant detangling experience. Today, it's been about 2 weeks since I did my hair, so it's going to be a little rough at the roots, but hopefully the ends will be a lot better than they have been. Needless to say, I think you guys can tell that I absolutely love these. I think they make not only an awesome gift for yourself, but they make an awesome gift for anyone. I recommend them no matter what your curl pattern, hair type, texture. If you're relaxed, wear your hair straight more often than anything, I recommend these. You guys know, well, most of you who have been subscribed to my channel for quite a long time know that I have been natural now for 12 years, and these are one of the best things that I've ever purchased in general. Top 5 status easily. These are awesome. So definitely follow Main Choice on Instagram. They have surprise sales all the time. If you can get these for 50% off, definitely do so. I anticipate these lasting me for a very long time. They're economical, they're great quality. They make cutting my hair pleasant because they're very, very easy to hold. My hand doesn't cramp up or, you know, feel like unsteady when I'm cutting my hair, which is a very delicate situation. But yeah, I just really enjoy trimming my ends now a lot more than I used to by using these. So if you would like to see a more in-depth routine of me trimming my hair, I do have a very, very detailed video that I will link in the little eye right up here. And feel free to check that out if you would like to do so. That'd be awesome. I am hoping to have more videos, you guys. With my whole shower situation, again, it's kind of hit or miss, more miss than anything since the water quality here sucks, even with a filter, for my products to shine. A lot of companies I am supposed to be doing reviews for. I hope they're not too mad at me that I haven't got the reviews up because my hair's just been, you know, crappy, and I want to make sure that I give their product a fair chance. So I'm still trying to work out the logistics of all that. Hopefully, this will be the start of many more videos from me to come. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you all have been doing well, and thank you so much to everyone that has been checking on me and giving me words of encouragement when I'm having my just super duper sad moments on Instagram. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are awesome. And if I have still not gotten back to your comment, I'm so sorry. Just when I'm sad, I just like shut down. It's a whole thing. I am going to try to reply to every comment that I've missed in a long time, since I have not been super active on YouTube and everything. So if it hasn't happened yet, it will be happening. So please bear with me. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope your hair is flourishing. I hope that you are having a great 2018. We're already halfway through it. I'll be seeing you guys a lot more on the interwebs and the socials and all that stuff. So if you have not subscribed already, please do so. I do have a lot of videos planned, a lot of reviews bearing this water situation. What else? Oh, I got some Olaplex that I'm going to be trying on my natural hair to see if that helps with the kind of the weird situations I've been having with it. I've been wanting to try that for years. What else? A huge haul. I have a freaking massive haul. It's almost Black Friday quality, you know, as far as the volume that we've got. It's a lot of products. So I do have a haul video coming up. I'm waiting for a package from a company I've never tried before. I have a lot of reviews from companies that I've heard great things about to try. I'll probably do those reviews when I go back home because the water quality is a lot better. I will see everyone very soon. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.